This video is important for IGCSE, O levels, HSS, Pearson, PMS and CSS. Please like, subscribe and share this effort by Sir Nadir Ali Mob. Western disturbances, also known as extratropical cyclones or mid-latitude cyclones, are weather systems that originate over the Mediterranean Sea and travel eastward across the northern parts of the Indian subcontinent. These disturbances are a major source of winter precipitation and weather variability in countries like Pakistan, particularly during the winter months. Causes of Western disturbances. Western disturbances are caused by the interaction of different air masses and the Earth's rotation. These disturbances usually originate in the mid-latitude westerly jet stream, which flows from west to east across Europe and Asia. When this jet stream encounters the high-altitude mountain ranges of Iran, Afghanistan, and the Himalayas, it can create disturbances in the upper-level flow of the atmosphere. These disturbances lead to the formation of low-pressure systems, which can bring cold air, moisture, and precipitation to the region. Areas receiving Western disturbances. In Pakistan, the northern and western parts of the country are most affected by Western disturbances. This includes regions like Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, northern Punjab, Azad Kashmir, and Gilgit-Baltistan. These areas often experience rainfall, snowfall, and cold weather due to the influence of Western disturbances. Impact on agriculture and economy. The impact of Western disturbances on agriculture and the economy in Pakistan can be both positive and negative. Positive impacts. Irrigation and water resources. Winter precipitation from Western disturbances contributes to the accumulation of snow in the mountains. This snowmelt during the spring and summer provides a vital water source for rivers and irrigation, supporting agriculture and hydropower generation. Soil moisture. Adequate winter precipitation can improve soil moisture levels, benefiting crops in the upcoming growing season. Biodiversity. Snowfall and moisture from Western disturbances contribute to maintaining healthy ecosystems and biodiversity, which can have long-term positive effects on agriculture. Negative impacts. Crop damage. Excessive rainfall and snowfall can lead to flooding, landslides, and soil erosion, damaging crops and agricultural infrastructure. Delayed planting. Cold and wet conditions associated with Western disturbances can delay the planting of winter crops, affecting agricultural productivity. Livestock. Harsh winter conditions can impact livestock health and productivity, leading to economic losses for pastoral communities. Transport and trade disruptions. Severe weather from Western disturbances can disrupt transportation, trade, and supply chains, affecting the overall economy. In summary, while Western disturbances play a significant role in providing essential moisture for agriculture and water resources in Pakistan, they can also bring about challenges and risks that impact both agricultural productivity and the broader economy. Effective water management, disaster preparedness, and agricultural planning are crucial to mitigating the negative effects and maximizing the benefits of Western disturbances in the region. Thank you for your time. Ab Jaldi say subscribe be Karden.
Empower your mind by subscribing and sharing this channel. Thank you.